Hi everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the today's session, I am sharing how to success in any interview. So many of the candidates, they are struggling to clear the interviews and they have no idea what are the things we should follow to crack the any interview. So in the today's session, I will tell you guys one of the best tip to you to crack and to clear the interview. To crack any interview, that is in your hands only, guys, not in interview panel hands. Because whenever the interview panel will ask any interview question, don't say answer blindly. Okay, so whatever the concepts, you have to form some keywords, what exactly keywords. For example, whenever they are asking about the question, can you explain what are the tools you have used in your project? Then candidate used to explain about what are the tools he used to implement the project. In that process, the candidate may explain the answer like I am using Visual Studio to develop the project. So immediately the interview panel will again ask the question, why you are using Visual Studio IDE, why not others? So in such type of questions you may face. So based on your answer, so in your answer, if you are using some keywords, based on those keywords only, the interview panel will again ask from those point only. Suppose if you are a automation test engineer, if you are explaining any questions like a project related answer you are explaining. So I have used to Apache third party tool to insert the data, to retrieve the data and to store the data. So immediately the interview panel used to ask how you can retrieve the data, can you write the code, and how you can insert the data, can you write the logic. So my point is, so whenever you are explaining any answer, whatever the statements, what are the keywords you are giving answer, you must know those keywords as well, you must know those concepts as well, because the interview panel used to ask based on your answer only. Whatever you are giving answer, based on your answer only, he will again pick the question. You just remember this point, guys. This is the mantra only you have to crack the interview. Suppose if you know interface concept very well, then you can, while you are giving answer, you have to include interface keyword as well. Okay, so again, whenever he asked about interface concept, you can explain. Okay, so my point is, so while you are giving answer, please form the statements which concept. So once the interview panel convinced with your answer, then he will move to next question. One more thing, guys, don't expect more questions in any technical interview. Only the interview panel will ask 5 to 10 questions only. In that 5 to 8 interview questions only, the interview panel will understand your coding skills, your knowledge on the subject, and your logical thinking, your analytical thinking, your communication skills. Each and everything will check within 5 to 10 questions only. Okay, so don't expect the interview panel will ask more than 10 questions. If you are master in subject, the interview panel will ask 2 to 3 questions only. In that 2 to 3 questions only, more and more questions will rise. So it is also depends on the interview panel. Okay, so the maximum topics you must prepare. So take any subject, it might be Java, it might be Python, it might be .NET, any language. So prepare what are the most recommended topics and get in-depth knowledge on the topics with examples. And while you are giving answer, just form the statements or keywords what in-depth knowledge. So don't say answer blindly which you don't know concepts. Suppose if you say any answer without having knowledge, he will ask questions on the topic only. So that is the reason many candidates may reject in their interviews. I hope you understand what I am saying. If you really like this video, please share to your friends also how to crack an interview, what is the best, so what is the main thing we should follow while you are facing the technical interview. Okay, so this is the only mantra to crack any interview. So to crack any interview, it is in your hands only. Based on your answer only, the interview panel will use to ask the questions. Okay, so I hope this video is very helpful for freshers, experience for any type of interview. So if you really like this video, please hit the like button and also share to your friends. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. I will reply to your queries. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.